Guys,
And I touch my phone and sit. Why you touch your phone?
our hardworking.
Guys, this vlog for today, my part time, I'm cleaning full salon.
Yeah.
Full salon.
Clean.
Yeah.
That side, clean.
What?
Yes, I'm paying you good. Clean
Yeah.
nicely. What do you think? You're picking a money here in Kuwait?
No.
I need very clean.
Clean.
Too much clean. Okay?
Okay.
Clean all. More.
More?
Yes. Dinar. I need you to clean this one by one, my plants.
What's already the drink water?
They drink water, they eat breakfast.
You close that, Mama, and I will take that in my phone, okay?
They
Bye
eat
guys, this is my lifestyle. Naglilinis sa salon.
They eat
Tapos
breakfast?
yung aking video camera na ito guys. Tingnan mo
Ayun.
lang. Hampasin ko to eh.